In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Gantt chart in Smartsheet. We'll walk through setting up your sheet, choosing what to include, and exporting a clean PDF you can share or send to a printer. By the end, you'll have a polished printout of your timeline without trial and error. First, make sure you're actually looking at your project in Gantt view. At the top toolbar, open the View options and choose Gantt view. You should see your task list on the left and a horizontal timeline with bars on the right. If you don't see the timeline, you're not in Gantt view yet. Getting this view right is important because the printout will mirror what you see here. Next, open the Print setup. Click the printer icon on the top toolbar. Smartsheet prepares prints as a PDF, so this opens the Print Setup PDF form where you'll tell it exactly what to include and how to lay it out. Think of this as your staging area for a crisp final result. Start with Layout. Under Selection, decide whether you want the entire sheet or only selected rows. If you only need a subset, like this week's milestones, choose selected rows and make sure those rows are highlighted in your sheet before you print. For orientation, pick Landscape. Gantt timelines run horizontally, and Landscape gives you more room so the bars and dates don't feel cramped. For scaling, choose Fit to Width. This automatically scales the timeline so it fits across the page without cutting off the right side. If your timeline is very long, Fit to Width prioritizes width. You may span multiple pages vertically, which is normal for detailed schedules. Now set your Gantt options. By default, only the primary column is included. This is usually the task name column. If you want to see more detail on the printed page, click the underlined column name or the edit link and add any other columns you need, such as start or end dates. Next, choose the date range. You can print a specific window, like a single month or quarter, or the entire project duration. Narrowing the range keeps the PDF focused and prevents blank space from long timelines you don't need to show. Setting a tighter date window also speeds up PDF generation on very large projects. When everything looks good, click OK to generate the PDF. Depending on your browser, it will open in a new tab or download to your computer. Open it, give it a quick review to confirm the timeline and columns look right, then use your browser or PDF viewer's print command to finish. That's all there is to it. Your Smartsheet Gantt chart is ready to share.